The Israeli army invaded الشفا hospital in the middle of the strip after days of continuous attacks around it. Reports verify that dozens of Israeli soldiers entered the facility of the hospital after demolishing the fence of the hospital on the northern side.
On Wednesday, Israeli troops raided al-Shifa hospital, which is the largest hospital in Gaza. Israel has long claimed that Hamas armed military wings use the hospital as its hub of militant activity. According to the army, the raid was precise and targeted, and the troops discovered weapons in the basement of the hospital during their operation.
The war on Gaza is approaching 40 days. Bombings and shellings in the southern Lebanon, Syria and Iraq almost every day. The Houthi armed forces in Yemen announced that they will launch a batch of ballistic missiles at the targets in Israel and threatened to target Israeli ships in the Red Sea and nearby waters.